Is the door open? It's not open. Peeps texted, Mom texted Peeps. Oh.
Nice to meet you.
Where?
Hi guys.
What's up, man?
Nice to meet you.
How you doing, man?
Good. Yeah, I will do. Yeah, that's it.
That's a bad egg.
Oh.
Yeah, I will.
Oh, man. You still have the egg? Oh.
We are winners.
What the fuck? Oh,
Come on.
Yeah. I
the pill. Easy, right? I have the vinegar here. Srećan Uskrs, Happy Easter. Danas je april 16. 16 April. Serbian Orthodox, Russian Greek, Easter.
Hi.
Bendik.
This is a game. You find a what? These are all my old stuff.
Huh?
Did you drink?
This is Jimmie.
What?
Did you drink from this?
No, it's working.
This is
Yeah. Oh, good. I try it? Try this one.
oh my god.
I hook up my phone. You're gonna see.
Maybe I take sure my head, you're not holding it. You look kind of old.
You fixed it?
Oh yeah, that'll do it.
Yeah, temporary.
That'll do it.
It's Drinking Prime.
No way.
Logan Paul and KSI.
What?
Right here, it's Prime. Who the fuck did?
I never knew that.
Oh yeah.
No, Tata, you gotta do it. We go like
Too
this.
much fire. That was too much fire.
Looks like he's gonna fight someone. You guys know who Marshmallow is?
Oh my god, what the heck? He's on the bike. Oh man.
Yeah!
Oh, Nick.
Yep.
Oh, it's oh shit, it's Jimmie. With us.
Oh man.
This is the clay pot, that's why.
He said, Nick, give me your finger.
That's crazy. Look at that. Down here.
Guys, do you want to take picture with me? I will.
Who are you?
One more. 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
It's cool, man.
Hey, hey, look what I got. Yeah.
Serbia. Real masters.
Yeah.
It's not a picture, it's a video.
Bože pomozi, živeli. Evo, puno dvorište, dece. Radoslav stigao. Svi smo tu.
Evo, barbecue, roštilj, imaju stekovi. Uveder sine, stekove. This one. Ribeyes.
Corn sine.
Živjeli? Evo malo roštilja. Ribeyes, steak, najjači, najbolji. Peeps. Sinovi moji ovdje, čerka. Živjeli?
Jimmie.
You brought your wallet?
I brought 60 bucks.
Damn, 60.
I brought that for camping. I figured I don't need like 100, do I?
No. Oh my god, you know how much I have? Like 300.
Oh my.
I brought my whole wallet.
Buffet.
Yep. Alright, we're here at the church of, oh my gosh.
This is a pretty weird church. There's all
It's for the Serbian picnic. We went past Franklin Park, past Gurney, and I believe we're in Libertyville right now, Illinois.
I don't really remember looking at this. Like, it looks familiar, but I could have sworn
I remember this street right here. I remember
it looked like there was more trees. We were kind of closed in. It looked like this, but it was
I don't remember you could park.
all the white, like,
Yeah. I got my Crocs on, looks bigger. Catch up with everybody.
oh, wait a minute. Yeah, there it is. I knew that there was a cemetery here. I'm like, I remember this.
There's the playground we're on, right?
That's.
I remember the playground, yeah.
Oh my god.
I don't remember the basketball hoops.
This is giving me flashbacks.
Gosh, I remember. That's where I was drinking the mineral water, and you said, "How can you drink that?" I said, "I like it."
Yeah.
Yeah. So far, we're going. It's there. I should put this on Super View, actually. So.
It was kind of like a big break.
Evo ga, jelen.
All right, we're live.
Oh, is everyone watching?
Yeah,
Okay,
everybody's
so
watching.
today, before we do anything, today's sponsor is Prime.
Sounds like you're getting paid. Is this paid promotion?
Anyway,
Then we have Tata and Radoslav. Today is Father's Day, by the way.
Hello. Hi. That's the ribeye, say it.
Yeah, ribeye.
Most
Ribeye
expensive.
steak.
Most expensive. For my sons.
Yep.
3 sons or
Radoslav.
3 stooges. I'm joking. You can put it on the YouTube?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Nice.
Radili ovaj na 45 ovdje. Ofis je.
But you always get the red one. Nice, huh?
Oh.
They say there are some fake ones. Yeah. Take a little bit. Fix it. Lazić, you have to use a little bit alcohol. Once a while. There's the right color. Ovo je boja stejka, ako niste znali. Po srpski. Op! With the music.
Tata.
Oh,
Ja plačem.
Oh my god, I needed a nap. 1, 2, 3.
happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tata. Happy birthday to you.
Woo, dang! Девочка.
Yeah.
60 years old.
Banki.
Yeah!
Meni ljubo.
Pečenje boli glava, stvarno.
A, pa šta ti nisi debelo? Pogotovo sportom se baviš, nema problema, možda jedeš.
Hvala ti, ali odvikla sam se bilo, Čiča, evo stiže ti poruke, traži emisiju od predsjednika.
6 banki, 6 years old today. My God.
Ufujko, 6 banki.
Lepa torta, nice cake.
Pokažem kjera, izvinjam. Ljubo, dođi, Ljubo.
That from my birthday?
Yeah. Alright, there's 10 of them.
Ovo se zapali. Bože dragi. Evo, kao da sam dete u 60 godina.
Ooh, he did it, yeah.